Today's piece is from Prep B, the Celebration Series, the piano repertoire book of the Conservatory, and I am introducing Pumpkin Boogie. So let's listen to it first, and then I'll give you a few ways you can improve your playing for this one. So here we go. So students of all ages love playing this piece. One of the things I love about this piece is this catchy rhythm. And I usually teach it by rote first, where you hear that 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. But I usually just clap it. We listen to it. 1 da 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 da. And it's so fun to hear that eighth note rest. You'll see it in your music. And to just playfully drum it out, stomp it out, and students catch on to that rhythm really fast. Then, if you like, you can go back to how would we count it? How would we break that down? But personally, I love listening to it first and seeing how that sounds. Once you explore the main theme and you think, okay, we have this C, and then we have these hugging notes of D and E flat. And I love that those are the first few notes of the C minor scale, so students also catch on to that really fast. The next thing that I do is I look at this little 5-finger scale hidden in here in measure 7 and 8. So we have dum ba ba da ba dum bum ba da da. And I love that it helps us shape the scale. And I often teach these little 5-finger scales with some dynamics. So I love that it's dum ba da 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 and getting louder to the dun da da da. I also love practicing that C, C, B, C, and how it feels to kind of pivot on that thumb and how to make that comfortable. So that's something you can watch for. The next thing that I love is we kind of build a triad here. So at first we have just a third between C and E flat, and it gives us this minor sound where we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And I love that we have the chromatic scale going down. So we first play a third, and then we're going down, 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 down. And so I like talking to students that we're just moving in half steps there. And then later in the piece, at measure 13, we stack it up and we have a C minor triad, the whole triad. Then we do that same chromatic idea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So those are great things to say, hey, can we find a pattern and see where it happens again? The next thing is that we'll see this main idea repeat with the right hand higher and then higher again. So we get to enjoy the fun of that groovy rhythm and those wonderful sounds, and then changing dynamically. So you'll see here, it's a great chance to talk to students about mezzo forte and then mezzo piano and piano. And maybe you're even a student yourself. You could be an adult student enjoying this as well, or a young student. So I hope you love playing this piece. I also love this forte C, and you might have noticed that I love playing that forte C with my third finger. Not everyone plays with the third, but I love how balanced that feels. And if you're working alongside a young student, or you are a young student, then I also encourage shifting your weight and following your arm with your body so that you feel balanced for that last note, and it sounds really exciting. So after this video, check out where I show students how to turn this bass line into a fun piano improv. So So you'll see in that video how to create a tune using this bass line. Thanks for listening in.